Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can do lead research on LinkedIn through Sales Navigator. So it's very amazing tool. You can type in LinkedIn Sales Navigator on Google, and the tool will appear in front of you. And it goes by the name of LinkedIn Sales Solution, and they charge something around $80 a month for that if you go for a monthly plan, and they give you a free trial as well. If you want to grab a free trial, you can either like click on compare plans, and then you can grab a free trial. So over here you can click on free trial, and you'll get access to the LinkedIn Sales Navigator account for first 30 days for absolutely free. Then it's $80 a month. So you just have to click on Sales Navigator link present on the top right corner, and once you do that, you'll see a screen similar to this. Then you can do two type of searches. You can either search for leads, or you can search for uh, like companies directly. So in search for leads, you'll see different people. You can contact two people. In accounts, you can search for various companies, and I'll show you both options. So if you go to the leads, you want to type in industries as let's say electrical electronic manufacturing industry, and you want to target geography as United States, and you would like to do years in current position as or maybe years at current company more than 6 years, and company headcount you want 11 to 50 and 51 to 200. So next thing you want is seniority level to be the honor. So now you know that, okay, I have 165 people who are honor of electrical electronic manufacturing companies, and they have a head count of 11 to 50, 51 to 200. And maybe if you want to type in some keyword, you can do that as well. I'll show it to you in another example. So these are all the people who match your search criteria. You can open their profile, you can see if they are a right fit for you, and you can send them a connection request if you want. I mean, possibilities like endless, because you have been presented with lots of leads, and we have a ability to connect with these people with the help of third party tools. We can even send them a new email, a cold email. So let me change the search filtration, and let's do the industry as uh, some, maybe we can do apparel and fashion. So here I can type in kids or baby. So I want to do United States, and let's say we want to reach out to all the companies who have company headcount more than one. They're not self-employed people. Or if you want to do research, you can include them as well. So many times when we are doing research, we 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 sort of choose the headcount one by one. Like first we choose the self-employed, we search those people, then we choose 1 to 10, then we choose 11 to 50. So based upon the customer's requirement, we put in the company headcount and choose the right number of people. So now if I click on search button, it is going to give me all the people who might be running their e-commerce website. So for example, Cindy Lowry, so she's owner at Baby Bling. I can open the Baby Bling and see if it is the right company for us. So yeah, like I can visit their website. I can see all the employees of this company. I can reach out to this owner. If I want, I can reach out to Summer Harris, who is founder and CEO at Baby Blink. And yeah, looks great. So they are selling products. They are our target market in case if we are working, if we are looking for these kind of leads. Now, another thing that you can do is you can um, search on the basis of title if you want. So for example, if you want CEOs only, you can do that. and it will present all the chief executive officers. But many times, because it's people put different names in the titles. Some says like, say it like CEO, or some says like co-founder or co-CEO or chief executive officer. So you have to come up with those combinations. So another thing that I would like to show you is you can also choose, like, if they are the second degree connections. Second degree means you and they have any mutual connection or not. And if I remove that, and if I also remove the title, what I can do from here, I can change the geography to New York or Hercules, California. I mean, even I can go to the towns and see if we have any founder or co-founder as well. So we don't have from Hercules, but you can always change the location based upon what you want to search. Then you have this account search. Just go to advanced search and search for accounts, and from here you can choose in the geography. As let's say you want to do California, you want to look for all the companies who are into, let's say, um, into retail. And you want to put in the keyword as, let's say, arts and craft, maybe arts and craft. So it will give you all the companies who might be into arts or craft, and also they are into retail industry. So this is how you can do research on the companies, and you can figure out all the companies which can be a potential prospect to you. So, guys, I hope you have liked the video so far, and you can also do things like, what's the department head count, like how many people are into accounting, how many are into administrative. So, I'll shoot another video based upon how to search for companies. For now, I wanted to mainly show you how you can search for the leads. So, for example, if at this company, you can click on view all employees, and you can see, okay, these are the two people which I might want to reach out to. So, if you are looking to generate new B2B leads for your company, if you are in a need to generate new customers, then you can reach out to me, and I'll drop my details in the description of this video, and I'll help you in me and my team will help you in generation of new leads using LinkedIn, using email, and I mean, we do a lot of things. It's like a multi-touch approach. So we have helped many companies in generating new leads, and we can help you as well. So I hope you have liked this video, and you are on your journey to gain new and new clients. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.